Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00980 error in Oracle Database 12c. So here you can see that I already logged into SQL Plus editor as a common user called C ## which I have already created. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay. So there's one table called person file. So describe person file. It having some two columns. Also it having some records. Okay, select star from person file showing some records. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I am going to create one synonym based on the table person file. So person file is a target object for a synonym. Okay, now synonym is got created. So all the person file table record will be there in person file underscore syn. Okay, now let me drop the person file table, that is the target object I am dropping. So now let me select the person file underscore synonym. Yes, so you can see that ORA-00980 synonym translation is no longer valid, error is thrown, which means that so if the target object, that is person file table is dropped, means the synonym is become invalid. So I am dropping the synonym which I have created for the table person file. So this is a solution for this ORA-00980 synonym translation is no longer valid.